Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks. My name is David Edwards. And you know what? Today we're making an apple pie margarita, and I am so stoked about this. Let's get into it. Alright, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. It is Margarita Monday, and I am stoked. It's fall, we're in early November, the apples are off the tree, you can do anything you want with them. In this case, I'm going to use some apple cider. It's fresh pressed from the store, and it's pure apple cider, which is great. Now, for those of you that are not from North America, apple cider here is non-alcoholic, although you can get it in an alcoholic version, unlike in Europe where when you hear about cider, it's usually an alcoholic drink. We're making an apple pie margarita, and this is perfect timing because American Thanksgiving is happening. It's fall. What else are you going to do with apples? You're going to make a pie, right? And I like a good pie. So grab your mixing glass and you're going to first add tequila. However, grab your jar of homemade cinnamon tequila. Grab a clean jar, throw in about 8 ounces, 240 mils of tequila, 2 sticks of your fancy spicy tree bark, aka cinnamon. Throw the cap on it and sit it on the shelf for 24 hours and then use it the next day. Or you can let it go longer if you want. Your choice. So grab this, unscrew your lid and go, oh, it's tequila. It smells good, right? You got those small hints of cinnamon. Now, in case you're wondering what tequila I actually used for this, I used Altos Olmeca tequila to make this. You need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of this tequila. Next, you're going to use a little bit of an orange liqueur. Choose the orange liqueur of your choice. In my case, I'm using Pierre Ferdinand Orange Curacao, and I really like this. Now, this is a dry orange Curacao, and this is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. The third thing that you want, of course, is your apple cider. And make sure you shake it up because you don't want to have all these cinnamon and spices that come in this down in the bottom when you pour it in. There's a lot of uhs in there as my brain tried to focus on more than one thing at once because I was focusing on you. We need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. It's looking pretty good so far, isn't it? Yes, it's got that appley goodness color. We're going to add some ice and we're going to shake this for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Slam it down, make sure you're nice and solid here, give it a flip. Make sure that it's well seated before you do that because you don't want to do what I've done. I've done it and I dropped it and the glass shattered all over the place. And anyways, live and learn. So give it a hard shake. All right, slap it with the strength of 1,000 apples hitting it. Move that off to the side. It smells so good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this here. You're gonna grab a plate. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a cinnamon sugar to rim our glass. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, and freshly grate it in, and then mix it till you hit the desired sweetness. And here you go, homemade cinnamon sugar with that fresh cinnamon smell. Now, you're gonna make this in a rocks glass. You can put it in any glass that you wanna put it in, but you know what? I am going to use this and just, David didn't think ahead here, just enough to wet the edge. Give it a bit of a little bit of rimming here. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Gonna get rid of this, move this out of the way here. We need some fresh ice now. That's some nice looking ice, but I don't think I need that much. Take your Hawthorne strainer, give it a strain. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. However, we're not done yet. We need to garnish this. And I told you I was going to up my garnishing game because the recipe would normally call for a slice of apple. Because I'm crazy, calls for an entire slice of pie. Yes. Okay, grab your plate. Oh, look at that piece of pie. Oh, the little bits fell out. I'll throw those on there in there as well, because you need the little chunky bits. Put those there. Grab your favorite whipped cream, give it a good old shake. Shake it really hard. And anyways, because you gotta have a little bit of whipped cream with your pie. Ice cream if you have it. If you don't happen to have it, well, have some more whipped cream, you know. Yeah. So anyways, my garnish doesn't quite fit on top. So anyways, this is now your perfect combination for your fall sweet treat. Let's give this a try. Oh, you immediately get that fresh cinnamon. And I should put that down before I stab myself in the face. And you know what? You get a little bit of the tequila coming through. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. The tequila comes through, you have slight hints of your orange. Your apple is, oh, it's right there, but it's not overpowering. It's quite nice. And you know what? The cinnamon sugar adds just a little bit of sweetness. Let's try a little bit of pie. We're done for the day. You know what? No more recording after this. Try this out. Have a piece of pie with it. Give it a thumbs up. I will put the method of how to make this down in the description down below, as well as the ingredients. You know what? If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified anytime I put a new video on. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze on the rocks, because every little bit helps us to keep this up for you. Oh yeah. And you know what? You have a great day. Is your shaking glass. Now this is a shaking glass. Say the first ingredient we need is a cinnamon